I've dedicated my life to producing exceptional whiskies. Passion and commitment have always driven me to keep innovating, discovering, and redefining whiskies. This year is no exception. It marks a special one for me, so I wanted to create a magnificent whiskey that would showcase the last 50 unique and magical years I've spent working in the whiskey industry. Beginning its journey in 1966 in American white oak bourbon barrels, when the time was right, this whiskey was transferred into Methuselah sherry casks from the world-renowned González Baez bodegas in Spain. Here it rested for 9 years before making a home in Port Colheita pipes from the Douro region of Portugal. To add that extra dimension, I was drawn to the Champagne region, as after all, champagne is synonymous with celebration. I met with Claude Giraud from the champagne house Henri Giraud, as they are one of the few still to use wooden casks to mature their wines. I was immediately captivated by their commitment to put the wood at the very heart of their champagnes, as after all, it is the wood that makes the whiskey. After selecting the cask that I felt would provide the most intensity and aromatic complexity, I carefully transferred the whiskey into it and waited patiently as it began the final stages of its journey. After 50 days, the cask had kindly bestowed its flavors of soft clementines, violets, vanilla, and that hint of spice. This is what I was striving for. A whiskey this special requires only the most luxurious finishing touches, created by those who share my passion for craft and innovation. I chose to work with the artisans at prestigious French crystal house Baccarat to create 50 exquisite decanters, each adorned with an iconic solid silver stag from Hamilton and Inches. Working with renowned furniture artisans Linley of London, together we designed a handcrafted display cabinet that lovingly encases this precious spirit. True masters of their craft have come together to bring the magnificent, the Dalmore 50 years old, to life. For me, this will always be a truly timeless whiskey, and it is the perfect celebration of my 50 years in the whiskey industry.